nowadays people might think that starting a YouTube channel might be hard, maybe because they might be afraid of getting no views, and maybe because they might think that YouTube is too crowded. However, it's not actually that hard. You just have to yeah, keep doing videos on what you're passionate about. For example, if you like doing origami, then you should keep posting videos on that. And yeah, so what's so hard about that? So I'm going to be talking about how anyone can blow up on YouTube. And so firstly, there's been a big update where more channels are getting promoted, and yeah, so they're able to get views a lot more quickly because of the updated YouTube algorithm, and it intentionally promotes new channels um, because YouTube gets money from ads. So if there's more creators, then they also get more money as well. So it's basically like a win-win situation. And yeah, so if you're a small creator, then you'll get more views, and yeah, they'll also be more likely to keep making videos. And yeah, so secondly, there's basically three main types of content that are the most popular. So firstly is the journey videos, and it's basically just like a document of daily lives, and it's basically just like showing what they're working on without editing, and so that people can tell that it's real, and they might be tired of just like YouTube being filled with scripted videos or like mainly edited videos, so they might want something genuine. And I remember watching I remember really enjoying a channel and called the Outdoor Boys, and it was basically just about a man who was recording with his iPhone, and he was just going around and traveling. And I found it really quite nice because even like in the winter he just had his phone and he was just out camping. So I found that quite genuine, and it felt like it just felt like his videos were actually um, like they actually had a lot of effort put into them as well. And so yeah, and a lot of people recognize that as well, and he had a lot of subscribers. And so also another type of popular video is just building in public, and you basically share the process as you learn or build something, and yeah, you also show the new skills that you learn across the way. And it's good to share successes and failures because people don't just want the results, they want to know the journey that you had to get to where you are. And yeah, I remember watching a video on there was a couple who were renovating an abandoned home, and yeah, I really liked watching their videos because it showed their journey of going through and eventually finishing their home. And yeah, it showed a lot of obstacles, like maybe disputes and maybe when their ideas didn't work out. However, in the end, when they finally did it, it made it seem like it made like us quite attached to the journey, and it also made me and a lot of other viewers quite proud when they were able to finally achieve their goal. And yeah, finally is the expert-based videos, and it's where you create videos to solve problems for the viewer, and it's where you teach something specific, and yeah, it might not reach everyone, but only like a small targeted amount of audience. And you might not have to know like necessarily everything in the world and be like a professional. As long as you know 20% more than the viewer, then yeah, they will still be able to gain value and learn something from it. And yeah, my dad used to watch a lot of videos which were about yeah, making things and like fixing things, I guess. And so yeah, I mean, he was able to learn quite a lot, and whenever the house needed something that needed fixing, he was able to repair it quite well. And finally, this is about making money on YouTube. So you don't really need millions of subscribers. You shouldn't really focus on YouTube on the revenue anyway, but you have to focus on building something sustainable. And it's good if your videos actually help people, and if it's not random or just for entertainment, but when people generally appreciate it. And yeah, you can also go further and create products centered around it. So for example, on courses or ebooks. You should just not overthink it and just go when you feel ready. I mean, just like don't go when you feel 100% ready, but just start now. Overall, I think the most important things to take away are that anyone can blow up on YouTube, and even if you're small, because of the new YouTube algorithm, it's a lot easier. And also, there's like 3 main types of content that are popular right now. However, I don't think you should follow them completely. I think you should just follow your interest, because who knows when the popular videos might change. But yeah, just keep following your interest, and then don't really think that much about making money. Just think about providing value to others. And so my uncle actually, he really enjoyed cooking, and he made cooking videos. And I remember quite some time ago he decided to switch to AI videos. He learned AI to create a lot of tech videos. However, it didn't work out because he didn't really truly have a passion for it. He only went with the flow and what was trending at the time. And so now he's gone back to making cooking videos, and even his cooking's improved and he seems to be a lot more happy. So that just reminds you that you should just stick to what you want to do. Thank you.